Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I don't usually decorate all out for Valentine's Day, but I will be using this cute little item that you see right here that I got at Dollar Tree in order to create a template for a DIY project for my home. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart the little hearts from that ribbon. I won't be using all of them, I'll just be using one as a template. Then I used a box cutter in order to cut a piece of foam board that I had left over and then score the shape of the heart onto that foam board. Then after I had scored that heart, I took some scissors and I cut around that scoring line. It actually helped quite a bit because whenever I went around the edges, it wouldn't actually wrinkle the foam like it sometimes does when you use scissors, so the scoring actually helped. So then after that, I drew a heart shape on the inside of the heart with a Sharpie marker. And I cut that out as well. And as you can see here, I am being resourceful again. I had some of those berry bushes left from Dollar Tree from Christmas this past year, and I decided to go ahead and cut those apart into little bundles. Then I just began placing the berries all over the white heart, making sure to cover as much of the foam board as possible. I was also trying to make sure I glued them on the outside border as well as covering up that inside border as I went. And then I took some red acrylic paint that I had and started covering up those little white areas where I pulled apart the berries. Then after the paint was dry, I applied glossy Mod Podge all over all of the berries. That way they would get nice and shiny again. Now I had this cute little square frame that my husband probably thought I had a little bit longer than I should have, but I never knew what to do with it because it had two little holes on one of the sides. However, with this, it was going to be the perfect project because I am going to hang that heart with some jute string at the very top through those holes. I was just kind of distressing it, as you see here, to give it a little bit more of a rustic look. Then I took some jute string that I had from Dollar Tree and I simply hot glued it to the back. Now the back of the heart doesn't look that pretty. You can always paint it red, or you can actually cover it up with poster board, but I just left it the way it was since it's going to be facing a wall anyways. Nobody's going to see it. Then I strung the jute string through those little holes and I tied a little bow and hung the heart inside the frame. So if you're like me and don't want to spend too much money decorating for Valentine's, or aren't really into that sparkly red and glitter that you see in the stores, this is a perfect way you can add that Valentine's decor to your home without using anything from the stores and without compromising your very own style. If you love this sweet little heart as much as I do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I have more DIYs coming your way. Now this project was part of a blog hop over on my website, and I joined 10 other bloggers in creating a unique Valentine's piece of decor. Now if you want to get more inspiration, I'm going to go ahead and link that below in the description box in case you guys want to check out any more of the other heart decorations for Valentine's that these talented ladies came up with. Alright everyone, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, adios!